Today we are going to go over the Plateau voicemail system and the initial voicemail setup. To access your voicemail for your initial setup, you can press the button on your phone for voicemail. On Polycoms, it looks like a reel-to-reel icon. On Yealinks, it is an envelope. You can also dial *62 from your phone to access the voicemail.
Welcome to your Compilot voice portal.
The first time you call your voicemail box or dial *62, you will be prompted to set a passcode. The following rules must be followed or your passcode will fail. The passcode should be 4 to 8 digits in length. It should not be the extension or the phone number or the reverse values of those. It should not contain more than 3 repeated digits. It should not have more than 3 sequentially ascending or descending digits. It should not be a repeating pattern. And as well, if the voicemail was previously set up, the passcode should not be the current passcode or its reversed value. In the next step of the initial voicemail setup, the system will have you record your personalized name. You will have just a few seconds to record your name. This recording will be used as the default greeting to let callers know you are unavailable. You will have the option to record a longer greeting later. If you need to re-record your name at a later time, you can by going to the Greetings menu from the main menu. After you've finished your name recording, you will be able to record your greetings and access your voicemails. Now that we are done with that part, we can continue on to the main menu. This menu can be a little confusing because you would think that you would record your greetings by going to that menu, but we actually go through a different menu. To record your busy greeting and no answer greeting, you will need to press 1 to access your voicemail box. This is also the menu that you go in to listen to your voicemails. From your voicemail box portal menu, you'll have some options available to you. You can press 1 to listen to your voicemail messages and follow the prompts. You can press 2 to change your mailbox busy greeting. You can press 3 to change your mailbox no answer greeting. 4 allows you to add an extended away greeting. Press 5 to send a message to another user on the phone system. 7 allows you to delete all the messages. 8 modifies the message deposit settings, which essentially gives you the ability to have the call disconnect automatically instead of giving them the option to leave a voicemail if it's enabled. And then you can press star to get back to the main menu. From any of the menus in the voice portal, you will be given audio prompts on how to perform the tasks within them. Follow the prompts and you will be set. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let us know if you have any questions.